Click on the link below to get price. The LHBcraft Patio Furniture Set is a spacious and stylish outdoor sectional designed to enhance your patio or garden area. This large 7-piece wicker furniture set is crafted to accommodate social gatherings and provide comfortable seating options for family and friends alike. As outdoor living spaces become increasingly integral to our homes, products like this set offer a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. The sectional is constructed from durable, weather-resistant materials, which are essential for outdoor furniture. The wicker design not only adds a touch of elegance but also contributes to the set's resilience against various weather conditions. Users may find reassurance in the combination of the sturdy frame and all-weather wicker that can withstand sun, rain, and wind over time. Additionally, the cushions are designed with a thick foam filling, providing a supportive yet comfortable seating experience. Each piece in the set is designed for versatility and can be rearranged to fit different spaces and configurations, allowing users to customize their seating arrangement based on their preferences or the occasion. The sectional comprises a combination of middle and corner pieces, creating a comprehensive lounging area. This adaptability can be particularly useful for those who frequently entertain guests or enjoy outdoor family time. The cushions are covered with removable fabric covers, which are easy to clean. This feature can be quite beneficial, as outdoor furniture is often exposed to dirt and spills. Users may appreciate the practicality of being able to maintain the appearance of their set with minimal effort. The color options available further allow for personalization, enabling individuals to select a tone that complements their existing outdoor decor. In terms of usage, the LHBcraft Patio Furniture Set can serve various functions, from casual afternoons spent reading to hosting evening gatherings. Its size and layout accommodate multiple users comfortably, making it an ideal choice for social settings. The set's design encourages interaction, with a layout that promotes conversation and connection among guests. In summary, the LHBcraft Patio Furniture Set stands out as a practical and stylish option for those looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. With its robust construction, customizable configuration, and easy maintenance, it aims to provide a comfortable and inviting environment for outdoor relaxation and entertainment. Whether you are hosting a barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this sectional set offers a versatile solution for all your outdoor seating needs.